Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you to this session where we're going to look at number 4 of the Uneb paper, that is 2024 ICT. And remember, we have handled so far all these numbers. That is word processing, number 1. Number 2, that was all about spreadsheet, we handled it. Number 3 was all about PowerPoint, we have handled it. And then today we are going to handle number 4, and that is all about database management system. So they have told us to, using a database management software, create a database and save it as your name and personal number. So what we are going to do, we are going to come to our desktop, we open our folders. So far there is already 3 numbers. Remember, you're supposed to do 2, you're supposed to handle 3 numbers. By now you would have handled or completed your paper, but for my case I'm going to add all the 5 numbers. So I'm going to come and open the support file. Is here. You can see that there is nothing, there is no any file which is given, so that means I'm not going to use it today. I'm going to just open the database. This number is blank, or what we call it is open. So I'm going to right click in my folder. I come and click Microsoft Access Database. I simply type my names, which is Faizo. Then 501. I open it. Then I have to click enable content here. I have to come and click create. I'm going to start with table design. So here I'm going to enter this data. Actually the fields, the table fields, only these ones: student ID, student name, phone, date of birth, and age. Because they have told us, after designing and opening our database using my name and personal number, as we have seen. Now part B, design a table with appropriate data types using the student's biodata provided below. Save it as student std biodata. So this is the student ID, student name, phone, date of birth, age. These are the fields I'm going to enter here. So I'm going to start straight away. I'm going to type std. Then I come here, I give it a data type. It's going to remain short text. Then I come and type student name. It's going to remain short text as a data type. I come and I give phone. It's going to remain in text form as a data type. Then I come and type date of birth. This one is not going to be, this one is date or time, so we come and select this data type. With age, I think this one is going to be a number, so we come and change to number. Once you are done, never forget to put a primary key. You come and click on this, then you come under, you come actually right click on it, then you assign it with the primary key. Once you are done, you come to home tab, then there is view, put it to datasheet view, save it. Remember, they have told us to save it as std biodata, so you're going to come and save it std biodata. Then you click OK. So this is our table. Remember, they have told us to just create a table without entering data first. So we go to our next part. Our next part says save it as biodata. Add a caption on the phone field, name it contact. So we are going to come on our database. We first open the table. We come to design view, then we go under field properties, we come and click on phone field, then we come under caption here, that is the field properties, then you type there contact as our caption. Once we are done, we save the changes, then we go back to our design view, the datasheet view, then we close the table. Then our next question says design a form for the table and add an appropriate title. Save it as std form. So we are going to come to our database, we come under create. This time around we are going to use form wizard. Then we are going to take all these fields, click next. Let's use a tabular form. You can use any, but we need to see in tabular form or in a table form. Then I click next. The title, we can name it student biodata. Student biodata, then you click finish. Now we are going to modify our form very well so that is very clear. We are going to come under layout view. So we're going to expand this a bit. We're going to reduce the std. We come and we expand the name, the student name field. You can bring it around here. The contact, you can also come and put it around there. Then this is the date of birth. You can also bring it around here. Student name, we can also bring it around here. We are trying to modify our form so that it is clear. Come and expand also the date of birth around here. The age, you can try to put it that way, and also expand it a bit like this. So let's go back to the form view. Yes, I think this is okay. So we start. We're going to start entering our data. For example, here we have MH01, MH02, MH03, MH04, MH05 as our student ID. So we're going to start with that field. We're going to start with MH01. We come to MH02, MH03, MH04, and MH05. Those are the student IDs. So we're going to enter the student name. We have names like Apen Burian, Olum Peter, Namudu Esther, Akik Bashir, and Kayes Kose. So we're gonna come and start entering their names. We have talked of Apenu Burian. We are going to enter here Olum Peter. Here we are going to enter Uneb Uace Ict. Here we are going to put Akik Bashir. Then here the last one is Kais Kose. Then the next field for contacts, we are going to enter these contacts. We have the phone contacts like 0772-528, 078, 079, 0754, 0789. So we're going to come to our database here and start entering their contacts. Like we have 0772528. Then here we can put 078 522. Then we have 58. Then here we have 07952. Then we have 461. Then with Bashir we have 0754. Then we have 26. Then we have 32. Then with Kais Kose we have 0789. Then we have 5420. Then we come and enter their date of birth. We have it was born on 2nd May 1995, 17th 1996, 2000, 1999, and 2000. So we're gonna come here and start entering their date of birth. That is 2nd May, that is 1995. We come and we enter 17th Feb 1996. Then we have 8th March 2000. Then here we have 5th May 1999, and lastly here we have 16th June 2000. So it seems that our data has been entered very well. So here we are going to save it as std form, and we have entered the data, this biodata here. So we are going to save it. So here you right click and save, then we close. Our next question, that is part E. It says create a query that displays the student's age and all the other fields for the students who were born after 1999. So it is called as std age. So we have two formulas. We can use the wizard, and we can also use what we call we're going to come units. Now the data which we have entered using a form is now in our table. So what we are going to do here, we are going to come to create. We are going to first use the report, the query design. Then we add this biodata here. Then we close. Here we're going to highlight all the fields. We put them here. We come on the age field. We put the icons. We put the columns. Then we type the year. We open the brackets. Type now, because we are going to see the current year, that is. Then we close the brackets. Then we say minus year open the brackets. You're going to use the current. You're going to use the curly brackets. We type the date of birth. Then we close the curly brackets. Then after we close the bracket still. So let's try to run it. We're going to come under design view to run the query. So this is the age. So the computer has retrieved the age for the students. So once we are done with the query, we save the query as student age. Then you click OK. Still, we have to get, remember you have to get the students who were born after the year 1999. So we are going to come back here. We go back to design view. Then we go under date of birth here. We are going to use the greater than symbol. Then we type, we are going to consider this month here, this year. We want this, all these students were born after 1999. So we're going to use this year, that is date of birth. So we're going to come and type and say 5th May 1999. All students who are born above 1999, they have to be displayed. So we're going to come and run. So we have two students that Uneb Uace and Yesu, because those are the students that were born after 1999. So we can also save this query as student age. So we close. So this was the major issue here. So once we are done with that, the next question says generate a report for student age query and save it as student age report. So they want us to make a report from this query. Simply we are going to come and click on student age and come to create a report. So here we are going to create a report direct. You come and click a report. So this is the student age report. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add here the word report. STD age what? STD age report. If we come here under home, we can put it in form view so that you can have manual report view. Then you can have a look at a clear report of our students. So they have told us to save it as student age report, STD age report. So we can right click and click save STD age report, then save. So all the objects you have worked upon, they are going to be here. We have the student biodata, we have the student age as a report, we have the student form is also here, and also have the student report. All this that we have worked upon. And in case you want to print, still just come to file, then you print your work, then you come to print preview. You can be able to print a report. If it is student biodata, that's how it's gonna be looking like. If it is also a student's biodata, or like in form of a table, you also come to file, come to print, then print preview, you check, then you print. So that's all what I brought for you today, and that's how database can be dealt with. Thank you. We'll meet in the last number, that is publisher. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.